Karnataka lesson we are learning now. In that, Mysore division we are learning, and I am taking the topic uniqueness of the Mysore division. All the Mysore division districts, 8 districts are there. All are special in one thing. Some are good, having the forest, some are having the tourist place. All that one we are learning. Already we learned the 6 districts also. Today we are learning the 7th and 8th one. That is the Dakshina Kannada district. It is a coastal district. Only Dakshina Kannada district and the Udupi district are the coastal districts. They are having this Arabian Sea. These districts are connected to the Arabian Sea, so they are having the coastal line. And this Dakshina Kannada district, it is having the ports. Port means where vessels are staying, that is called port. So 2 ports are there. One is Manapur port, which is famous for the export business. See children, import-export business will be there. Export-import business means if foreign country, anything we produce, for example, we produce the cotton cloths. That one we want to sell to other country. That means we are selling our cotton shirts to the foreign country, means that is called export. We are exporting our cotton shirt to the other countries. If we are taking petrol is less in our country, we want petrol. We are purchasing from other country, means that is called import. Export import business it is called. If we are selling our things to foreign country, means that is called export. If we are purchasing the goods from the foreign country, means that is called import. So this is the export and import business. Foreign trade also it is called foreign trade. So how it will carried out? All the continents are surrounded by the oceans. Yes children, all the continents are surrounded by the oceans. So road facility will be not there. Yes, for export and import business, road facility you will not get children. And in the air we can send, but heavy goods, for example, wheat you are exporting, petrol you are exporting. How to do that one? It is not possible in the aeroplane or something. So we have to send this one through the waterways only. In a big ship only we have to send. So waterways are used for the export and import business. Followed children? For that purpose we need the port where the foreign ships will come and stay. Our ships will be there, and importing, exporting goods will be loaded or unloaded. For all that one we need the port. Like that port is there in the Dakshina Kannada district. That port name is Manapur port. Mainly export business will be carried out there. And one of the international airport is also there in the Dakshina Kannada district. That airport name is Bajape. Bajape is the international airport. National airport, international airport, like this. 2 are types of there. Simply airport or national airport means only Indian aeroplanes will come and stay there. International means some other country aeroplanes will come there. That is called international airport. Follow children? Yes. This is about the ports and the international airports. And this Dakshina Kannada district is famous for the fishing. When it is having the coastal line, means fishing definitely will be there. So it is mainly fishing areas are there, and processing the cashew nuts, agriculture also is there. Cashew nuts they are growing. Dakshina Kannada district, cashew nut, pepper, spice items they are growing. All that processing units, industries are you can find in the Dakshina Kannada district, as well as agriculture is also there. Yes. Then tourist place children. What are the tourist places in the Dakshina Kannada district means how Shravanabelagola Gomteshwara statue is there, no children? 58 feet high it is, and every 12 years Mastabhisheka will be there. I explained. Do you remember? Same thing. Even Gomteshwara statue, another Gomteshwara statue is there. It is in Venuru. In the Venuru, that is also single stone Gomteshwara statue is there. Then Parameshwari temple in Kattilu, that place name, there it is. Gokarna temple in Gokarna. Then 1000 pillar Basidi in Mudabidri. 1000 pillar Basidi it is. Jain Basidi children. Jain temple it is. It is in Mudabidri. Then Jama Masjid in Ullad. Then St. Aloysius Church. Like this. See all the religious places you can see. Church is there, mosques are there, then temples also is there, Jain Basidi is there. All religions you can find in the Dakshin Kannada district. Followed, Hindu people, Christian people, mainly Christians influence was more there when the British were ruling us. Then this district is known for the Nagaradhani. That means they are worshipping the snake. Subramanyam and all, you know children, okay, Subramanyam and all, snake is worshipping, no? So this in this Dakshin Kannada district, mainly they are worshipping the snake. Nagaradhana it is called. Then other tourist place in the famous places in the Dakshin Kannada district are, that is Nisargadama of Pilukula. Place name is Pilukula, Nisargadama. Many of you know this one children, I think. Nisargadama, they are giving the treatment, natural treatment for the many diseases there. Nisargadama it is called. So that is there. Then Dr. Shivram Karan's Biopark is there. Biopark. Then Flokor Museum is also you can find in the Dakshin Kannada district. These are the tourist place, attractive places in Dakshin Kannada district. Next, it is famous for education also children. Mudabidri, it is famous for education, no? Many residential schools and all are there. Yes children, this is all about the Dakshin Kannada district. Now I will go to the Udupi district. Take these points, I will write the Udupi district. Yes, Udupi district I wrote children. See, Udupi district is also a coastal district only. Coastal is there because it is connected to the Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea is in the west. Then Western Ghats are in the east. So Udupi district is connected to both Arabian Sea as well as the Western Ghats. Followed. And famous in the coastal Udupi district is Krishna Temple. Krishna Temple, later I will take this one. Palpur Fort is there. How? Palpur Fort is there in Dakshin Kannada district. As same thing, Palpur Fort is there in the Udupi district. Both are the coastal districts. So I take an at a time these two. Both are coastal districts. Palpur Fort is there in the Udupi district. Then St. Mary's Island is there, which is connected to the Udupi district. That is also very popular one. Followed, yes. Then attractive places in the Udupi district are Mukambika Temple children. Kolluru Mukambika, you heard that one. And in Karkal, Gomteshwara statue is there children. So Gomteshwara statue is in three places. Shravanabelagola, Venuru, then this Karkal. Like this in three places you can find the Gomteshwara statue. All are monolith statue only, but Shravanabelagola statue is very tall one. Followed. Yes, this Karkal Gomteshwara statue is 42 feet high. Shravanabelagola 58 feet high it is. This one little less it is, 42 feet high it is. Then Krishna Temple of Udupi, that also famous children. Regarding that story I will tell in the last. Then Rashtrakavi Govinda Pai, his research center is there in Udupi. Then Barkur port is famous. Manipal is famous for the education center it is. What crops they are growing in the Udupi district means coconut, arak nut, cashew nut, paddy. These are the main crops in the agriculture. Coconut means plantation children. They will plant the coconut tree. It will give the fruits all the time. Arak nut also plantation crop only. Adake. Cashew nut, that also plantation crop children. Agriculture means paddy and other fields they are growing. Then fishing is main there. As it is a coastal district, fishing is more it is. In that, Malpe is the main. Malpe. There fishing is very important business there. Then Saint Mary's Island also famous in the Udupi district. About Krishna temple children, all of you know the story. Little, I will revise that one. Kanakanakindi. Do you heard the word children? Kanakanakindi. In Udupi, Krishna temple is there. Once what happened? Kanakadasa is a devotee of Lord Krishna. He wanted to see the statue of Krishna. He wanted to worship him. But as he belongs to the inferior caste, the Brahmins not allowed him inside the temple. So sitting backside the temple, Kanaka started praying the Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna, inspired by his devotion, his prayer. So the Krishna statue only turned back and very big hole became in the backside wall. That what hole is there? No, that one only we are calling as a Kanakanakindi. So from that hole only Kanaka saw the statue of Lord Krishna. And there only he did the worship for the Lord Krishna. That is the story children. That is also famous one. Very ancient temple it is. Lord Krishna temple. Okay. Yes. This is all about the Udupi district. Followed. Yes. Lesson over children. Very lengthy lesson but interesting also. You will find the number of tourist places and their information. This lesson is like a guide for planning the holiday. Yes, no children? Yes, we completed the lesson. I will give the homework for today and many pictures are there in your textbook children. Let me show that one. Yes, this is Mysore division children in Karnataka only. 8 districts. Then this is the Tipu Sultan, Hyder Ali's son, is only called as a Tiger of Mysore. Krishna Raja Wadiyar 4. Chamarajanagar named no as a Chamarajanagar, his father only. Then Sir Mirza Ismail, he only built the Brindavan garden children. Diwan for the Nalwadi Krishna Raja Chamaraja Wadiyar. Diwan means minister. Gagana Chukki, Bara Chukki waterfalls I said no children. This only. Here one falls is there, here one is there. Gagana Chukki and Bara Chukki waterfalls there. Then fishing in Udupi and all ports I said no, fishing ports. That one. Tribal people children. Akki, Pikki, Jenu, Kurba, Soliga, all this one. In the forest only, making the small hut, they will stay. See, they are not wearing the proper cloth also children. Tribal people there. Men are like this only. See. Bandipura and Nagarhole, all that safaris are there. That picture, wild animals picture. Tiger, elephant. This one, bison. Wild buffaloes children. Then this is picture of the Rangantittu. Birds. Other continent birds will come children. In the month of November, December, January you are going means all these green tree will you can't see. Only nest and it will be full of birds. Thousands of birds will come there. Then dairying is more in the Mysore district children. So one lady is milking the cow. Other than agriculture, they are doing other business also, like dairy, poultry, all that one. This is Mysore Palace. During Dasara time, lighting and all will be very nice to see, children. Sutturu Mata. This one. Shravana Belagola Gomteshwara statue. Then Saint Philomena Church. It is the tallest church in India. I said no, children, that one it is. It is in Mysore. Jagan Mohan Palace. Just in front of the Mysore Palace it is. This is Chamundi Hill. Chamundi Temple it is. Then Bailukoppe. Buddha Vihara, I said no, that one Buddha statue it is. Panchaloha statue it is. Then Malai Madheshwara temple. At the top of the hill you will find this temple. Bandipura. It is famous for the elephants. That picture. You can see the many times this elephants crossing the road. Then Hassan is famous for the Hoysala architecture. No, that one it is. Channakeshava temple. Outside, inside, everywhere carving you can see, children. Channakeshwara temple, Belur, then Hoysaleshwara temple, Halebeedu. This one. H.D. Devegowda, first Prime Minister from Karnataka. That one. Then Sharda Devi temple, Sringeri, Shardamba. That one. Baba Budangiri Dargah. That one, children, it is. Then St. Andrew's Church. KRS Dam. This one. Sri Rangapatana, Sri Ranganatheshwara temple. Very tall tower is there. Then Darya Daulat, Sri Rangapatana, Tipu Sultan Summer Palace it is, children. This much big lawn is there and backside blue color is there, no? That is the palace. That blue colors are mat, children, not the wall. For aeration, they put the mat. Inside many paintings and his furnitures and all they kept. This is Virajpete Church in Kodagu district. Very famous one. Then Dakshin Kannada district, 1000 pillar Basidi Jain temple. I said no, children, just that one it is. Then this is Manjunatha, Dharmasthala Manjunatha, that one. Jama Masjid, Ullal, that. St. Aloysius Church. In Udupi district, Krishna temple, Kanakanakindi, story I told, no, that one. Then Karkal Gomteshwara statue. St. Lawrence Church. This is Mysore University, children. 100 years old. Talakaveri, original place of the river Kaveri. It is in Kodagu, Talakaveri. Then Mangalore port. Barakuru port, I told no, children, that one. Export, import business will be there, that one. Yes, homework for reflection. Name the ports of Dakshin Kannada district. Name the international airport of the Dakshin Kannada district. Where is Rashtrakavi Govinda Pai Research Center? Then write the story of Karakana Hindi. This one you will not get in your textbook, children. Just I explain. You can ask your parents also write story and try to write in your own sentence. You come to know how to form the sentence. Okay? This one is extra for your knowledge. This is the homework for today. Lesson over, children. We will start. Now we have to start the second sem. In the first sem, I completed all the lessons. Okay. Thank you.